This is Bro the Handyman. In this video, we're going to do some welding. I got some piping that a customer of mine wants to build a fence with. And a lot of these pipes are split. And she wants to get them welded out. And so the problem I have, and that hopefully these tips will help you, is that these pipes are rusted inside and out. How you're going to clean the inside? Not even going to worry about it. We're going to run 3 different rods to see how well they run with the rust. But I will clean the top, but can't clean the bottom. So I'll go ahead and show you what I'm doing to help prevent getting contamination. You'll know if you get contamination of bug eye, whatnot. So we'll use 6011, 6013, and 718, 332 rod, and let's see how they perform. Because I need to get these welded up. Alright, watch out. What? Rafts in the pasture?
Yeah, I saw.
If you can tell right here, there's a crack. It's a good open crack right here. It looks closed. So what I've been doing is I took some clamps and I welded some angle line on them. And all I do is pull them together, put a tack on it, so these are the 6011 rods. You can go ahead and they're E6011 Lincoln, and I'm running them at 75 amps. I'm gonna do all 3 different kind of rods at 75 amps. So we're gonna tack these in place. Welding your seams up. Okay. Let me tack this real fast, table. Welding. All right.
Guess what?
Alright, these are the 6013s. I really do not know what they are. I got them from my father-in-law, and this is the only tag that they had on the canister. So I'm not sure if these are the exact ones that I have right here, because as you can see, there's 6013 written, not printed. So I don't know. Don't know what these are, but we're gonna run them anyway. I'm also running these at 75 amps. Well, Alright, and now we're going to run the 7018s. These are Lincoln Electric as well. I don't have the actual container that they came in because I got them from a buddy of mine. But also these are running, I'm running these at 75 amps. Alright, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and clean all 3 of these pipes, and we're going to take a look at them and see how they came out. Alright guys, here's my welder. It's set at 75 amps. It's everlast powerarc 140. Okay, and here's 7018. Here's the bead on it. 6013 and the bead on it, and the 6011. Now I will say the 6011th was really nasty. A buddy of mine at work told me that if I got rusted pipe that I'm gonna want to get the 6011 so I don't have to worry about contamination and it'll just run well with it. Well, that may be true. By me clamping and welding, cleaning the top part of it, it kept that contamination down. Don't get no contamination in my weld, and I just can run the 6013s or the 7018s, and I'll probably run both of them, or one or the other. I like how the 6013 runs. I probably can bump up the amperage up a little bit, but yeah. So if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe, the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Hit the like button, and if you got any questions, put them in the comment section below. I do appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.